thought it may take longer to convince you.
I'm a rebel.
It's going to be exciting. No one has ever done their laundry on the roof of the Empire State Building.
I say we climb the Empire State Building with nothing but suction cups, and then do our laundry.
I like the way you think.
And then zip line down to Times Square. If it is a nice straight line from the Empire State Building.
All right. Let's do it. We'll get some, I got my laundry hamper here. And all my clothes. They're very soft. Oh,
I got my laundry. There sucks.
That's it?
I did laundry this morning. I didn't know we were gonna do this. But I'm in!
Let me just check what the weather's like.
Quiet.
Yep. No, it looks nice. Oh, look, there's an eagle. Oh. It's eating a dove.
That's a good sign.
Yeah. Oh.
Not for the dove.
No. That's going to make it even more extreme because there's been a lot of eagle sightings around the Empire State Building. They could easily try to attack us while we're doing our laundry.
Doesn't scare me. I'm climbing up the side of the Empire State Building with suction cups. What's an eagle?
All right. It's a bird.
No. I mean, in the grand scheme of things.
All right. Let's start laundering.
All right.
Let's just drive over to the Empire State Building.
All right. Put my socks in there too.
Hey, don't. There you go. I oiled the doors, so I'd like to concentrate.
All right, let's start up the truck. Oh, the ignition key is also the throttle. See, look, no gas pedal.
Wow.
Yep, I just speeded up by turning the key a little harder.
All right.
You ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
Here we go.
Wow, it's amazing.
A little harder on turns.
Yeah. Yeah, there seems to be a lot of traffic. Better use the horn. Oh, go.
I like this horn better. It's not loud, but it's effective.
No. You also just stapled a cat to the roof of the car. It's a beautiful day to be doing laundry on the Empire State Building.
Yeah.
I'm very excited. Mind if I put on some music?
Put something in.
Let me see. It's on Mark's CD. Just put it in. Beep, beep, boop, boop, beep. What the hell is that?
The vocal stylings of R2-D2.
Oh, the Beatles.
Yeah.
I love the Beatles.
Me too.
Everybody knows at least one song. They're so popular.
That's what I'm told.
Yep. You found the one guy that does it. This is the worst CD collection I have ever seen. Do you have anything that's a...
Yeah, Barney the Dinosaur song.
Well, you put it in. Huh? You put it in.
All right. You know, when I was a kid, it was knick-knack, paddywhack, give your dog a bone.
Yeah, times have changed. Ah, the Empire State Building.
Here we are. I have a brake though. Oh, ran over a puppy. Seems okay. Oh, he's not doing well.
Hey, try his mouth.
He's damn lots of opsos. You can't tell which end is which. Okay, he's good.
I gotta say, I feel quite lucky. First of all, we found a parking spot.
I know. Right in front of the Empire State Building.
What are the odds? Hey, got my laundry. Just attach it to the net.
All right, I get out my suction cups. 2 for the hands, 2 for the feet.
Oh, thank you.
Step into those.
How many floors?
I think it's like 102.
All right. Let's start climbing.
All right.
Race ya. Hey, look. There must be some window washers. Why don't we just use the...
Hold on. Hello? 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 I can barely hear you. What?
Hi.
Oh, hi. Hey, I'm doing laundry by climbing up the Empire State Building. What are you doing?
Just eating pizza.
Just busy eating pizza and not using your diaphragm to speak? Okay. All right, well, I'll call you in a little bit.
All right.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. I don't know who that was. Wait a minute. This is going to take forever. I got a hammer.
Bam, 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 bam. Wait.
Oh, there we go. Take the elevator. Whew. I think we're a little overeager. I mean, thought we'd climb the suction cups.
Well, I feel already we're cheating. Oh.
You take that elevator. That's
All right.
I'll race you.
Okay.
What? You got a secret?
No, I thought I heard something.
When is this elevator going to get here?
Ding, ding.
Mine's first.
Oh, this button must play the music. I am not destined to hear music in this entire day.
Ding.
Here, we're top floor.
Do you have music on your elevator?
No, you?
Oh, yeah. Metallica. It was awesome.
All right. I guess we'll have to go out this window and just climb the rest.
Sure. I took mine off.
Did you? How are you going to climb? How are you going to climb?
I guess I'll put them back on.
Go backwards. Boy, it's really windy up here.
Oh, look at that helicopter. Power failure.
Oh,
That's not good.
hey, I just realized, do laundry, you need water.
I'll play my didgeridoo and create rain.
Thank God you brought it.
Yes. I learned this from a member of an Aboriginal tribe.
Oh,
So I'll just play the didgeridoo
okay.
and rain clouds will appear.
All right. At last, music. Oh yeah, look, the clouds are getting dark. It's starting to rain. Okay, I got some detergent here. My socks.
This is the best day ever!
Isn't it great?
Yes!
All right, now I have to dry them. Oh, I brought a flare gun.
Oh,
I'll just shoot into the, Yeah, I'll just shoot it and then the heat will,
sure. You know what? I'm taking my socks out of there.
I didn't really think this through. I don't even know if it's loaded. Oh, it is.
Landed on that tiki hut on the top of that building over there. They're having a luau.
I better call 911. Beep, 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 beep. Or 7746. It's a special number. It gets in there really quickly.
Hello, 911.
Hi. Listen, there's a fire at the Tiki Hut building across from the Empire State Building.
Did you make it? Did you
Hey, what? Like, that's your first question? Did you do it? Does an arsonist call you and say, can you put out my fire? No, I think it was the lightning.
Okay, we'll send fire truck right over.
Well, that sounds like a good idea.
Goodbye.
You think it was a lightning? No wonder he thought you did it. You panicked.
Well, I did do it.
Hey, in my climbing equipment, I have a bullhorn. I'm going to alert those people over there through this megaphone. I'm going to tell them there's a fire and to evacuate immediately.
Hey, get out of there. You're on fire. Run. Now. You're gonna die.
Okay, first of all, that was really extreme. And I thought that was supposed to amplify your voice.
It actually quiets it and softens it for a more feminine sound. I don't want to create panic even though I told them they're going to die.
Yeah, I think the "you're going to die" part is the part that sticks in their head.
Is it?
This is how you calm a crowd.
Hey, get out of there!
Ta-da! Oh, but hey, the fire's really starting to pick up. Boy, my laundry's still wet. Hey, is that a giant piece of elastic?
That there?
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, we can use that.
We could use it, but it's tied to these two poles.
Yeah. Slingshot.
Oh, I see where you're
We'll
going with this.
slingshot my wet laundry over to the Tiki Hut and put out the fire.
Oh, that's a good cause. Here, you can use my socks. Is that you or the elastic?
I don't know. Okay, I'm about to let go.
Splat.
That actually worked.
I can't believe it. And with a minimum of fuss.
That's pretty good. Hey, you want to jetpack over there and get your laundry?
You have a jetpack?
I got everything in my backpack. There's one for you. One for me.
Can I ask, how come we didn't use these to get to the top of the building?
I like adventure.
That's all I have. Hey, look, it looks like we're having a bit of a party here. Some chips.
Let's see what's behind the bar. Ooh. Floorboard's creaky. Care for a cerveza?
Oh, mucho gracias. One of those days.
Yeah.
Glug, 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 glug.
You call that a burp? I will show you a burp, my friend.
Oh, hey, you gonna do that thing you're always talking about? Because I've never seen you do it. You just always brag about it.
Yes, I am. I'm going to chug this beer, let out the loudest belch you've ever heard, followed by a beautiful yodel, followed by the sound of an otter and a flamingo making sweet, passionate love sex.
I got $100 says you don't get past the burp.
I will take that bet. Chug, burp, yodel, flamingo, and otter. You ready?
Sure.